Are you curious about wood glue? No? Okay, well, I'm gonna tell you something anyway.
But let me tell you something.
This wood glue, my son got me at Ollie's. It has a 1200 PSI rating for bonding. I thought that was strong. If you're a woodworker, you know this. This Titebond 3 Ultimate has a 4,000 pound rating. So I was debating what I was going to use on my project today. I'm putting together a desk. I'm using the 4,000 pound rating. Duh. If you're looking for any more tips like this, or if you really don't care, I'll give you unsolicited information if you want. Follow me, Andrews Woodworks and Refurbish.